Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to fix Sleeper app not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by force quitting and then restarting the app. You see when you open an app, and if you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it off from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it completely from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just simply go to your Apple Play Store or Google Play Store and then find Sleeper. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is delete the existing Sleeper app from your phone and then go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then re-download it again. Now the next what you can do is check device compatibility. Make sure that your phone's OS is up to date as older phones may no longer be supported. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next